Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're gonna share our presentation. The topic of our presentation is about bacterial well disease in potato plants by Ralstonia solanacearum. This presentation arranged by Rifan Darmawan, Johanes, Ichsanul, Ikhwan, Kiki Sulastri, Ikhlas Zul, and Pemi Philosofi. Cultivating potato. In cultivating potato, the problem of plant pest organism becomes an obstacle in potato crop production. In this case, the pest problem leads to plant disease problems. Potatoes are often susceptible to pathogenic infection. From an economic point of view, the disease is very detrimental and one of the important diseases that infect potato plants, namely bacterial wilt disease caused by Bacterium Ralstonia solanacearum.
Okay, the next is the research method in the file was carried out by survey or field observation by precise sampling with the research object of potato farmers. The next slide. Field observation were to determine the incidence of bacterial wilt in potato plants. The first step is to determine the location of the research by observing it. The location of village in which this research was conducted was determined by looking at the presence of a population of pathogens or the level of the worst attack.
Okay, to determine the insight of bacterial within potato plant, it can be calculated by using the disease insert formula. IV equal 1 plus n per n multiplied source percent, where IV equal insight of disease and number of plants infected and n number of plants observed. Methods observed inside it or of solanacearum bacterial with disease and symptoms of plant attack infected with pathogen that cause bacterial with disease of potato plants.
The potato plant is infected with pathogen, so the upper leaves are curved downward. The lower leaves turn brownish. Typical symptoms are brownish, slime steam, emitting a distinctive odor, and when the tubers are dug up and cut, rotten tubers are brown to grayish in color, secreting mucus. Symptoms of wilt disease like this are the same as those caused by the Ralstonia solanacearum.
Next, Ralstonia solanacearum bacteria are cell-borne bacteria. This bacterium is a pathogen that is difficult to control because it can survive for a long time in the soil despite unfavorable conditions. This bacterial also infect plant parts that are close to the soil, such as roots. It spreads through land, weather, and also used agricultural tools. Can can look at the picture.
The development of infection from pathogen becomes faster as the action of farmers who pay less attention to land sanitation issues. Regarding this disease, hygiene or sanitation is very important in suppressing the development of pathogen. Control that can be carried out for bacterial wilt disease is by mechanically removing affected plants. Performing agronomic techniques such as holding crop rotation with the cabbage family and decreasing soil pH.
Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.